Now this is a double folded angles problem sums. Okay, it's adapted from Henry Park School mid-year exams for year 2021 primary 6. Jusing had a rectangular piece of paper. He folded it twice along the dotted lines as shown in the figures below. So once like this, and a second time he double folded like this. Okay. First question, find the value of angle X. Second question, find the value of angle Y. Now, for folded angles question, it's good if we can draw a dotted line to show the original shape of this particular piece of paper. Okay, so the first folding, what we can do is to mark out our angles. Those that we know, we mark it out. So we have a 90 here due to a rectangle. That 90 gets folded in, so it becomes here. And in addition to that, right, we also have a light blue angle here, which is folded inside to be the same angle. So example, if this is 60, inside will also be 60 degrees, as an example. Now, not just that, take note, this section here, straight section, is where the folding happens at the first folding instance. So 90 degrees, same angle, and over here at the bottom right, this green angle will be the same as this one as well. Okay, so please take note of that. And the second folding happens from this straight line. Take note, this red line was a straight line here. Okay, from somewhere in the middle, not exactly in the middle, okay, but somewhere in the middle here, you start to fold in. Alright, so we again draw our dotted lines for the original rectangle, which is like this. And for this section here in red that you have folded, we will also draw a dotted line here. Okay, so take note, this red section corresponds to here, and this is the part that you fold in. Okay, you went to fold in this part. So again, we mark out what we know. Okay, what we know is that at the corners it will be 90 here. This blue section is equal to X. Remember from our markings earlier on. Okay, this blue section is basically the angle for X as well. And take note, friends, this is a straight line because this red line is the same as this red line here. Okay, take note, it's supposed to be a straight line here. And since you have folded this in, again, you have folded this in, the angle here would have been folded inside into 68, right? So over here will be 68 degrees. And not just that, this pink angle, you have folded it into angle Y. So angle Y is the same as this pink angle as well. Alright, and in addition to that, this brown angle, you have folded it inside, which is going to be this brown angle here as well. So how do we find the angle X? Okay, how do we find the angle X here? Now, take note, angle X is the same as this angle over here. So if we are able to find this angle, right, then we can find angle X. So how to find this particular angle over here, which is angle X? We take note of this right angled triangle and we try our best to find this small angle here. Okay, let me use this green color. This green angle here. What is the value of that green angle? It's 90 minus 68. So for part A, first step, 90 degrees minus 68 degrees. 22 degrees over here will be 22 degrees. And with that, we use this right angle triangle, we will be able to find this corner angle here. So 180 minus 90 minus 22 degrees, 68 degrees over here, which means angle X has a value of 68 degrees as well, because you are folding this in earlier on. Okay, or another way, right friends, to find the value of angle X is to take note of this Z. Okay, Z, you can see Z here, these two lines are parallel. Okay, so if you have a parallel system like this, parallel line, if this is 68, this here will be 68 as well, because you have parallel lines and due to the property of alternate angles. Okay, so you can take it that way as well, and since X is the same as this, X will be 68 as well. Alright, that's another way to look at this question. Now, how to find Y? Now take note, early on we discussed and we said that, oh, this is a straight line, which is the same as this straight line here. And these two brown angles, brown, they are the same, equal in value. So angles on a straight line add up to 180, right? So if we take 180 minus 128, we will get two equal angles, two equal brown angles. So for part B, 180 minus 128 first, and this will give us a 52 degrees. 52 degrees divided into two equal parts, you will get 26 degrees. So for each of the brown angle, it will be 26 degrees. Again, why are they the same? Because you folded it in. Okay, that's why it's 26 here and here as well. So to find angle Y, we make use of this triangle over here. We know 26, we know 68, we can find angle Y. 180 minus 26 minus 68, 86 degrees is our answer for angle Y. Okay, now for folded paper questions, draw dotted lines to represent the original shape. Okay, that will help you and understand that when you fold, the angles are equal angles, pink angles equal, and in addition to that, take note, even the length will be a mirror image and they will be equal. So this blue length will be equal to this blue length. Okay, this blue equals to this blue.